Hello all, myself Mitra B, Assistant Professor from BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining Department at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about what are the poverty statistics in this video. Poverty statistics. As of 2023, approximately 689 million people worldwide lives on less than 1.90 a day, which is the international poverty line defined by World Bank. This figure represents 9% of global population, which means the COVID-19 pandemic has revised the year of progress in poverty reduction, pushing millions back into extreme poverty. Effective address, which means this issue remains critical as the world aims to meet their United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of extreme poverty by 2030. Poverty statistics on up to 2023. The next thing is regional disparities. What are the regional disparities occur? Which means poverty is not uniformly distributed across the globe. So, the region with the highest rate of extreme poverty, with around 40% of its population, is living below the poverty line. Countries like Nilgiri and Democratic Republic of account for significant share of world poor. In contrast, East Asia and Pacific have been remarkable progress in poverty reduction, with the poverty rate dropping from 60% in the earlier 1990s to less than 1% in countries like China. These are the regional disparities. The next thing is poverty among children. Children are disproportionately affected by poverty. According to UNICEF, around 356 million children live in extreme poverty, which is about 1 in 6 children globally. Child poverty has implications for health, education, and future earning potential. The pandemic has existed inequalities, with many children missing out of their education and health care, which can lead to long-term negative outcome on the economy. These are the poverty among children. The next thing, poverty and education. How? Which means poverty, education plays a crucial role in poverty alleviation. Yet millions of children are denied access to quality education. Yes, of course. Approximately 263 million children are out of school worldwide, with the majority living in low-income countries. UNESCO estimates that if all students in low-income countries acquire basic reading skill, 171 million people could be lifted out of poverty. So, improving access to education is essential for breaking the cycle of poverty. This is known as poverty and education. The next thing is gender disparities in poverty. Yes, of course, gender inequality plays a major role in poverty. So, in poverty statistics, also gender disparities occur. Significantly contributes to poverty level. Women and girls are more likely to experience poverty due to factors such as discrimination. Yes, of course, discrimination is there, and unequal access to education. Of course, unequal access when comparing to men and women, it happens. The next thing is lack of economic opportunities. Of course, lack of economic opportunities also occurs with the gender disparities. According to worldwide, women are more likely than men to live in extreme poverty, with 122 women facing extreme poverty for every 100 men in same region. So, effort to empower women economically are crucial for achieving borders poverty reduction goal. Gender disparities plays a major role. The next thing is rural and urban poverty. Poverty rate differs from significantly between rural and urban areas, which means globally about 75% of the world's poor live in rural areas, which means preliminarily depends on agriculture. For instance, in India, urban poverty has been rising, with over 25% of urban population living in same area, highlighting the needs for targeting interventions in both test. This is known as rural versus urban poverty. These are the poverty statistics and their notes. Thank you.